Let's have a little bit of discussion here about what's going on in the market. Please, if you don't have any question, let me know. If there is a problem with the sound, audio, or anything, also let me know. It should be all good, just in case. We have some news coming this week, rate hike from the Feds. Then we also have NFBs, so a lot of news going on. So we need to understand both the fundamental and technical analysis going on, what we expect from the market, what is the weekly forecast should be looking like, okay? So that's something we need to look at. Also individual pairs, how each one is going to look like what about gold, what about Dow Jones, like currencies, the dollar index is going to rise again, or just this is about good, you know, all these questions we need to actually discuss and stuff. Okay, guys, please, if anyone can let me know if the sound is good. So just we don't. Okay. Okay, guys, so looking at the gold right here, please, if anyone can just type down if the sound is good. Looking at the gold, what we expect from gold right here. First, we need to know what makes gold rise. So gold will fall, or for example, it will fall, okay, if you have two scenarios. If the DXY is going up, or the US 10Y going up, okay? If you have those two going up, then gold is gonna fall. And this is the case now. DXY is just kind of gaining strength again, and the USY also, okay? So the rate hike and the strength in the dollar index, both of them are putting pressure on the gold. This is something you need to pay attention to, okay? How far we can expect the gold to fall, and is it gonna just break and continue much further down, or is it about to reverse? What I can see, this is going to reverse very soon, okay guys? So gold is going to reverse very soon. We possibly can go 1630, 20, maximum 1610, and that's it. Then we are going to reverse. So I wouldn't recommend selling gold now, maybe just wait. And in the way up, after the rate hike, then it's gonna go up, then we can take a longer position from there. I think this is a better scenario, okay? So the way to go now for the gold is actually going to the downside first, then after that to the upside. So we possibly can go 1614 here, this level, or worst case scenario, go a little bit further down. I do recommend the trading this. This is probably not the best thing to trade. Wait a little bit, then we can actually take this longer position from here. Gold is gonna fly, okay? Gold is gonna fly. So the way to go, wait, and when you see a bounce, a strong reverse from here, okay, then you can go up with it. It's gonna fall hard before it rises again, guys, okay? Still one more wave, don't go and buy here, still wait. If you want to put, like, let's say a buy limit or something, then you can start at 1615 or so, 1620. From this range you can buy, but we need this to continue falling still. It may break this low slightly to 1610 or something, then rises after that, but all cases we're still looking for this to continue falling, okay? This is regarding gold. If we look at something like the Dow Jones, so the Dow is very clear, guys. We have said this in the weekly analysis as well. If someone hasn't seen it, we said the Dow Jones, we expect a fall, okay? Hey guys, this is the link for the weekly analysis. Okay, so what's next, guys, here is we expect this down wave. Okay, so what's next? So for the Dow, this need to come down. The question here is it gonna go down to here? Let's use TradingView tools better. Yeah. If you guys want to make a line in TradingView, this horizontal line, Alt J, you can use it here. So this one level I would respect very well. The 31,800 or so, and the second one here, guys, this one, 31,500. So we are falling between, guys, here. Just to let you know the forecast for the analysis for the Dow Jones. This is the area where we need to fall to. This is TradingView, the best trading platform, gives the best tools with no doubt. If anyone tells you the opposite, this is far away from truth. Okay guys, so this is the way to go now here. This fall, possible to here, and from here we continue up. Okay. Of course, this will not be valid if we go and we break above this high. I doubt this will happen. Just in case I have to give you all scenarios, then this will not be valid. Okay, so for the Dow, what we're looking for is here. We can type this down. So it can fall to 31,800 or 31,400. Okay, this is number one. Then let's make it this. Then we rise again to 33,200 level. Okay. So this is the analysis for the Dow, guys. First of all, we have a fall. Afterwards, we have a rise. So we fall first, then we rise afterwards. So if you want to short it now, I think is not too bad. Okay, is not too bad. Of course, every time you come here at the top, guys, you need to know you are overbought. See here, when you reach this area, you're overbought like this. But this kept crawling. Here, it did have such a big move, so it's overbought. Never go and buy there. It's not a good idea. You are buying the top, you're buying overbought price. Someone else did buy from here. Someone else did buy at 30,400 or 30,500. Why would you go and you buy at 33,000? You're too late. Okay, wait, have patience. This market towards the patient people, okay? If you have patience, you're gonna make money. That's all. Patience and risk management. Patience and risk management. So the market did have such a big move. Don't go and buy the top. Wait, have patience. If you can short selling and you want to sell this one, okay. Okay. If you sell, which place to take profit at? See this line at the middle? This is a good one. Second one here is good. Here is final. Don't wait after that. Maximum is gonna reach here. This is the maximum. It's gonna reverse. Okay. Start to reverse from down here. So you made money here. Let's say you made $100. Okay, here. Dropped. Start reversing. You go and you buy down here. In the way up. So if you see it going like this, don't buy it. You see it like this and start going up here, you can buy here. Buy in this area. Here. Where is the stop loss? Below this one. Which time frame you use? Usually 15 minutes to half an hour is good. Okay, to give you kind of early entry and a little bit stronger strong signal. Okay, but this is the way to go for the Dow Jones, guys. Okay, looking at Nasdaq. Here, Nasdaq has been moving slowly because the companies in the Nasdaq hasn't done very well. Okay, so what we expect now is a wave down. Wait, don't jump in. This needs to come down again. One more wave, guys. Here, to this level, 11,000 or so, at least. Possibly it could go all the way here. And from here, we're gonna go back up. That's what I can say. To 12,000. So if you wait at 11,000 to buy, you can go to 12,000. Okay? So I'm gonna type this here. So that's That's 11K. This is the buy area. And this is a 12K. This is the target. Okay? So wait, don't jump and buy here. Wait, let it fall. Let it fall. Let it go on big liquidity. See, like some candle like this, big in liquidity right here, like this here. Okay, let it come here like this candle. Just a big, huge drop to big liquidity, then go up. Just wait for this fall, then go up with it. So we're gonna type this here. Here. Nasdaq. Wait 10,800 or 11K to buy. Target 11,800 to 12,200 area. Okay, so we want to wait for this area to buy, and we want to wait for this area to actually target. Take our target here. Here we go. This is the way. Avoid this sell. Okay, avoid this one. Just wait for the long position. Wait for the long position. This would be much better. Okay, if we go to the euro dollar, the way to go for the euro is we want to wait for this to fall. Okay, what are the levels you want to wait for? Here, I would prefer here. This one. This one will be the best. 98. Okay, here. So we would like to wait around this level right here, this area. Wait here. Once it drop, okay, we can buy here. What happens if it doesn't reverse from here? Don't buy till it reverses, okay? But just in case if you reverse and come down again, there's going to be another level it may reach, which is here. Then this will be another level to actually add a trade to. I don't think it's gonna go farther than that. Okay, this is gonna go afterwards, guys, going up. So this is the way to go now. We are waiting for this fall to actually take a longer position from here. So euro dollar. wait a fall to around 9814 here, 98, maybe 9750 to buy. Then your target is open. Okay, so euro dollar analysis, this is the way to go, guys. Wait for this one, then go. We can actually publish this idea together here. Sorry, euro. So euro dollar is falling and more fall is expected. Wait for 98, 9750 to see a reverse and buy with price action. Okay guys, so buy in the way. So this is long and this is so this is the analysis for the euro dollar. We can go also for the pound dollar. Pound is the same, guys. So we're looking for this fall. This is 1.25. One level. This is here. Those two levels, guys, you need to wait for this. This is very good. What you expect is so this is the pound dollar. Sell now and buy later. So we are short. We are here. Yeah, so this is a cable right here. This is analysis. One more trade you can take is Australian USD. Guys, don't short JPY pairs. So what we're looking for Australian actually to continue, Australian USD to continue coming down. Here, this is the levels you need to watch for. This is the mid level, and this is the second level right here. And this one and that one right here. So this is the area you need to actually focus on. Okay, then later on, this needs to rise back up to here, this level. But this is afterwards. So first we need this to bring it down. Yeah, this to continue down. Then afterwards, this will rise. Of course, guys, when I give this area, it could be a little bit less, it could be a little bit more, it could be at the middle. Just giving you the full idea, okay? Hey Sterling, how's it going? Good morning. Okay, so this is the way to go for Australian USD, guys. Here, AUD, USD, fall, then rise. So AUD, USD will fall as DXY is strengthened, and later it will rise. Okay, XY is set to fall first, then rise later. Okay, guys, AUD/USD is falling as investors are pricing in the rate hike. So stocks, indices, and gold will fall. This will take USD with it down, but the good news, after we sell this wave, it will rise again, and we can buy it. Okay, trade safe. There we go. So we are short first, then sorry. There we go. Okay, next, USD JPY. Stay away from JPY pairs because it's still gonna continue going and rise again. We are going 155 possibly, so 155 here. I don't recommend buying it, but you can buy it if you want. Yeah, 155. So this is going to 155. And possibly we can actually go to 155, 157. Be careful. So here, USD JPY hidden to 155, 157. Do not sell it. And better avoid buying. Why don't sell it? Because it's gonna go up. Why avoid buying? Because the Central Bank of Japan can go and can sell it at any time. So be careful. So, okay, so avoid selling it, and at the same time, better not to buy it. Okay, but don't sell it at all, but better to avoid buying. But it's probably gonna reach 155. After this, we can go back down. But so USD JPY, guys, USD JPY hidden to 155, 157. Here, avoid, don't sell. To not fall now. No. And buying is also risky because Bank of Japan can short the dollar to protect Japanese yen. Okay, so this is long. A lot of people think it's gonna fall. It's not gonna fall. It's still gonna rise because the yields. Because Central Bank of Japan is not changing the yields. It's fundamental here, guys. Okay. Okay. What else? Something like Euro AUD. It's not the best, but this can go up. USD CAD. Here we go, the USD CAD. Okay. So USD CAD, we okay guys, USD CAD, what do you expect? To expect a rise first, then fall. Okay. Can we buy it? Yes, you can buy it. Possibly you can reach this level right here. So possibly we can buy it from here all the way to there, and from there with price action we can sell. Okay, it could reach the next level. I don't like to see it there, but you never know, it could reach here. But anyway, we have two waves to look for. Then later on, if we take this down here, this needs to come back all the way down here. So the way to go now, the way to go looking forward is we need to go here, possibly here, doesn't have to reach. Then falling again, guys. Okay, so this is the way to go for the USD CAD. I'll make some lines here just to let you know the levels. Okay, we can type this USD CAD. Wave up, then big four later. There we go. I think it's very, very clear. Publish. So we can buy this up wave and later we can sell it. Okay, so it's a long now. USD CAD, Loonie. Any Canadians here, guys? Here we go. Okay. So we expect DXY to rise and get stronger. And this will, so we expect DXY to rise and get stronger, and this will make USD CAD rise first, then fall when DXY is falling. Much. Okay, gotcha, guys. Natural gas in Germany, they have a very limited storage now, only for a few days. In France, they have like for 90 days, but Germany have less than 2 weeks. Okay, so natural gas we can go between 50 to 61.8, I believe. Yeah, definitely, we can go even further up. Okay. But this is the way to go. Possibly you can see this way. Then from here we can see, because it has all things to consider, but for now, at least between 7.5 to 8 is the way to go. Okay. So net gas on fire. So it may hit $10 a day. Okay. So natural gas would be a problem this winter. So you have many things, guys. First, we have the Russian-Ukrainian war. Supply shortage. We have OPEC Plus cuts oil production by 2 million barrel a day. We have, if we get a severe winter, a European consumption will increase and supply won't keep up with demand. This resulting in price increase. Okay, so we are long in this one, and this is fundamental a little bit, and this is natural gas. Okay, guys. Hey, my friend. Okay, I hope this helps. Okay, guys. So looking for something like AUD, JPY. First, guys, I need you to be careful from JPY. This is Japanese index. Japanese index, what does it mean is the index against average against all other currencies, okay? So you can see this is getting very, very weak, keep falling. Okay, this when the Central Bank of Japan actually did buy when it dropped so bad. Okay, you're welcome, trading. Hey, magician. I think what's gonna happen with Russian-Ukrainian war, probably Russian gonna do more damage to infrastructure to actually push Ukraine to come to sit at the table and make a deal. This was not a fair war. I hope things come back to peace very soon. So many lives have been lost. That's not a good thing to actually be watching and our children to hear about, you know. No need for all that stuff. Anyway, so we can see this falling here. What does it mean? JPY index is gonna get weaker. Why is it gonna get weaker? Because here, this is the secret, guys. So if you go Japan 10Y, and this is Yeah, this Japanese 10-year government bond is very fixed. They don't let it move. Okay, this is, guys, the interest rate in Japan. So this is the rate in Japan for the Japanese government bonds. So basically, if you go and you lend your money to the Japanese government, what you're gonna get is 0.28% interest rate. That's it. With Japanese yen also is getting weaker, so you're gonna have to buy this with Japanese yen. Then Japanese yen is here, you almost getting close to zero. Then what happened is Japanese yen itself is getting very, very weaker. So this is a double loss if you go and you buy Japanese bonds. That's why this Japanese yen is getting weaker. Everybody's just changing his money from Japanese yen to USD. Why? Because if we jump to New York right here and we go US 10Y, this is United States bonds, it pays you 4%. So yeah, the Australian dollar was weakening, and it's gonna get weaker also still a little bit more. So would you get 0.28% in Japan, okay, or you get 4.1% in the United States? Of course, anyone is just gonna jump and do that. For you to do this, you have to sell your Japanese yen and you have to buy USD. When you do this, so many people do the same like you, then everybody's just selling Japanese yen and everybody's buying USD, then the USD gets much stronger against Japanese yen. Okay, that's why what we expect, this possibly can have another wave up before it falls. I don't think some analysts do expect it's gonna reach 5%. I don't think so. I think maximum 4.3, 4.5, and that's it. Okay, what does this mean? It means USD JPY, it will reach 155, 157, but from 155 to 157, when it's coming back down, this will be a very, very good sell from now. So we are still at like below this number, right? We didn't even reach 155 yet for USD JPY, and this is the reason behind, fully fundamental behind this. Okay, guys? Okay. If we look at something like the Australian index, this is the Australian index. This measures the Australian index against all the average of other currencies. Australian has been weak. What is the reason why the Australian has been weak? Because Australian is very much connected to the overall economy. Okay, so simply Australia export a lot of material, raw material, to China and the rest of the world. So if the stocks and the economy and overall and growth going up, usually we see the Australian dollar actually getting strong. If the stocks going down, then we see Australian going down, and that was the case. We have seen the Dow Jones, SPX, Nasdaq, all the major stocks and indices are actually coming down, dragging the Australia and New Zealand with them. Okay, so that's the reason why Australia and New Zealand were actually coming down. One more thing is, if the Australian The Australian 10 years bonds, actually, they're kind of the same range as the American. So if you look here, they're 3.79, and the American were kind of 4.0 to 4.1, very close. It did reach 4.3, which is the same level as the US. So both of them very close. That's why there is no much difference between the Australian and the United States yields. Then it will not make much difference between the Australian dollar and the USD dollar because of the yields. It could be because of the equity falling, but not because of the yields. So I hope this makes sense. Okay. What is next for the Australian dollar? We have discussed this previously, but we can discuss it again. So AUD USD here. What is the expected, guys? We expect a fall here, and from here we expect this to rise. Okay, if we go to the dollar index, this is the dollar index. What do we expect? We have a rate hike coming. Okay, this rate hike is expected to actually make the dollar a little bit stronger, so we can reach here. Okay, then we will fall. I don't recommend to buy this. Why? Because this could fall from here. Could, a very small chance, but could happen. Okay, so I can see this rising to this level, let's say 112.50 or so, and from here this is going to be a very good sell. A lot of people are gonna think this is gonna continue here and go to 115 and everything. I don't think it's gonna happen. I don't think this is the case. The case we can see here is the dollar index is going to fall. The dollar index, so either from, you know, this level around 112, 113, somewhere here, so a little bit more here, then we're gonna fall. And when it's falling, it's going to be very fast. When it's gonna fall, I think November 2nd, okay, with Mr. Powell's speech. So when Mr. Jerome Powell started speaking, you're gonna find the DXY falling, you're gonna find the NASDAQ, SPX, all the indices are actually rising. This is going to be a very good time to short the dollar, okay, and buy Dow Jones and the NASDAQ and stuff. Okay, guys? So this is the way to go here. Okay, that was a quick analysis for today, guys. Please make sure you don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you. And if you would like to share the video, I appreciate it. Thank you and have a wonderful day. I hope we can do more analysis to keep you updated, guys, about the market and everything. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Okay, thank you, guys.